doing that research, it really helps you understand the story and how to react to certain events.
How do you characterize your own investing?
Before, it was a lot more trading, which is just looking at names, seeing how the people who trade that certain stock react to news, react to different price levels. Now, much more research focused. So it's understanding the stock, having certain target prices, and then trading around that. And it's much more longer term. And then just playing around with leverage depending on my confidence level.
How do you quantify or make the decision on confidence?
You put in the work, model the company, you understand the business, you look at why is the price trading at where it is today. And then if you can answer all of those things and everything tells you that the market's seeing something wrong, there's some pressure that will go away, the company will turn around because of a certain reason, and you just have a very strong conviction that is the case. That's basically confidence. For example, for the recent trade, what I was looking at was why the price dropped. It basically halved in 2 months. So first, it's understanding why did that happen, and that's just because the stock IPO'd recently, so there's a lot of insider selling. Now, if you understand insider selling after an IPO, you realize it's not actually bad. It's just people want to lock in their money because, after the IPO, they're overnight millionaire. And so there's a lot of selling pressure, but not enough buying pressure. So that's one reason why I was more confident because there's nothing fundamentally wrong with the company. And then you go on to Edgar, you pull up all their financials, put it in a spreadsheet, and then you model the company. And I put some more conservative assumptions so that I would have, a price that was comfortable that the company could hit regardless if like they overachieved or not. I came up with a price, and I was reasonably comfortable they would hit that. And because, a lot of the selling started to slow down a little bit, and then there was more interest in the name, I was pretty confident that at some point, buying pressure would start coming back and that the stock would revalue to a more appropriate price. And so that's what I mean by confident. Like you do enough work, you know your price, and you're confident that certain things will happen, certain catalysts will actually happen for the stock.
And then what are the tools that you use for research, everything that goes into your decision behind a specific trade or investment?
So on the paid side, Bloomberg definitely helps. I still think it's the best resource out there.
Mhm.
Aside from that, access you have FactSet, which I think a lot more people are using now. And then Coifin is a really good website that has data. They have analyst targets. A lot of the fundamental data is in ratio. I also go to Finviz. They have a nice sort of heat map that shows you which industries are up and down for the day. For just bar charts, I like to go on TradingView. They have nice indicators. They also have custom indicators, and it just looks clean in general. You can pretty easily see different levels of support and resistance. I think that's about it. That covers most of it.
Do you have any habits that make sure you're informed every day about what you need to do?
Well, I mean, just keeping up with the market in general, you want to read sort of the top articles on the news to see what are the key issues. Also, you have to check like economic data, just the key points like inflation, unemployment, that kind of stuff.
Wall Street bets?
Yeah, that's the best website. You go there for the most up-to-date due diligence, the the best YOLO trades,